Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make easy pasta recipe with chipotle sauce in just 5 minutes. You wouldn't believe cause this tastes exactly like restaurant style pasta. I made this recipe today morning for my breakfast, so I thought why not share with you all my friends out here. So the ingredients are very simple. You need just an oil, salt, pasta and chipotle sauce. So firstly I'm going to take 2 cups of pasta. Here I decided to mix the spiral and the penne pasta. So the penne pasta takes more time than the spiral pasta to cook. I will be pre-boiling the penne pasta before I cook it together with spiral pasta for 2 minutes. There is no need that you have to take 2 different pastas like me. You can cook with just one type. After you pre-boil, add the spiral pastas to the penne pasta and add some oil and salt to it. Boil this for 5 minutes on a medium flame. So for the sauce, I'm going to take chipotle sauce spread, which already contains mayonnaise and some spice mixes in it. After 5 minutes, drain the water from the boiled pasta with a mesh or a sieve and keep it aside. Check the pasta if it has boiled according to the texture you require, and then add pasta to a mixing bowl and mix it with 6 to 8 teaspoons of chipotle sauce. Further, you can also increase the quantity of the sauce if you want it more juicier. Then mix it until all the pastas are evenly coated with the sauce. And the pasta is ready to eat. Serve this in a bowl and you are good to eat. But before that, don't forget to like and share this video, as we know these are much required on our quarantine days. Most importantly, subscribe to my channel for more such food videos. See you soon. Bye.